Hey, stop scrolling right now. What you're looking for, you just find it. You want to fulfill your life. You want to make money and to be at the right place and be happy. Life becomes easier because you want to be like a fish in the water. You belong somewhere. You have potential inside of you, and you're created to succeed your life. You're created for such a time as this, and to use this top gift, this zone of genius, this difference that you have inside of you, and to make money with it. To work less and make more money. To find the place where you belong. And to impact people's lives by what you have inside of you. You want to see the life at the level of your potential and to be paying the return of your value. Stop working so hard like a hamster in a cage and you don't see the result. You don't see a change. And year after year after year, you're stuck at the same place, frustrated because you look at other people. They succeed. It seems to be easy for them, and you don't succeed at the level you would like to succeed. My name is Martine Wilkie. I'm coaching people since 30 years. I'm helping people to find their purpose, where they belong, what is their top gift, their zone of genius, how to package that, to make their offer and to be paid the value at the level of the value they provide, the result they provide. Stop wasting your time right now and try to do this kind of business and this kind of business and find your zone of genius. Learn how to package the zone of genius to make an irresistible offer and be paid in return. This is your time. It's your season. And I created a 2-live free masterclass coming very soon to deliver in your life this information that's going to bring the transformation that you're looking for so long. People, they pay me thousands of dollars to help them to understand this zone of genius. And now, in this 2-day live free masterclass, I will bring so many information that's going to change and impact your life forever. Don't waste any minutes anymore. Register right now. Reserve your seat. It's going to be amazing. And we have so many gifts for all people that are going to be live with us. And to learn more, click on the link below. Reserve your seat, and I'm going to see you there.